Hi everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and tonight I'm going to give you part 2 of the Decorate With Me video, where I'm going to show you everything that I decorated in my 2 front living rooms. I have this area behind me that I'm going to show you. I'm also going to show you where the little table where I keep my candy for the trick-or-treaters, and the one place that I decorate for Halloween is my mantle. So stick around. Hopefully you like this video. I do want to just say welcome to my channel. If you're brand new, then please tell me in the comments so that I can say hello to my new friend. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, I do appreciate the support that you give me. All right, let's get started on part 2 of the Decorate With Me. Okay, so let's get started. First off, over here is my candle that I keep lit just about all the time. The holder right here, I actually got that from Bath and Body Works. It's just like a little tree stump, and it's really cute. Kind of brings the outdoors in. Then next to it is my little spritzer that I got from the Target dollar spot for about $3, I think, last spring. And next to it is my toilet paper pumpkin that Mike actually made that one. I made a different one, and it is on its way to a giveaway, actually. Or actually, I think it arrived today. So, then the terrarium right here has some pumpkins in it and succulents that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I think I paid around $8 because I had gotten them 40% off. And the terrarium, I've had people ask me about that, and I actually got that one at Goodwill for, I don't know, maybe like $5 or $10 a long time ago. And I love decorating it. Usually in the spring and summer, I just keep live plants in there. But you can find them on Amazon, and I will link that below for you. Some that are similar to it. Then next to it is my orchid. I keep there all the time. And next to that is my little candy dish that actually was my grandmother's, and I swiped it. I'll come up just a little bit for you guys so that you can see my gallery wall. I've shown it before, but those are some of my favorite sayings. My very first piece, the one that says family, is like probably 20 years old, and I love it. It's been in every house I've ever owned. Then we'll come down here to the bottom. The Let's Cozy Up sign, I got that. It's just like a letter board from the Target dollar spot as well for, I don't know if I paid $3 or $5, something like that. The only thing I don't like about it is it did not come with enough duplicate letters to spell what I wanted. But I came up with Let's Cozy Up, and it's fine. It works, you know, for the purpose. Then beside that, right here on the bottom, I love this dough bowl. It is super cute, and I found that at Decor Steals. If you don't know what Decor Steals is, I will try to link it below as well for you. If you like farmhouse kinds of items and decor, then it's a great website to find really cool items. Then behind it, that's a W. It really needs to go back into Waylon's room. And so I just stuck it there. I don't even know why. And next to that over here is just my little chalkboard sign. I like it okay. I've had it for a long time. The only thing about it is that once I write something on it, it doesn't come off very easy. So I just keep be the best you can be, and I look at it every day, and I hope my family does too. And then on the other side, I think it says something about Valentine's Day because I couldn't get it off. And then in the corner right here, I just have some of my grandpa's old Bibles. So once again, here is the sofa table that I have decorated for fall. All right, next up, I'll show you where I keep my candy. Okay, so this is by the side door in my living room, and this is where I hand out candy for the trick-or-treaters on Halloween night. This bin right here, I ordered from 31. It says trick-or-treat, and it has a little bat on it. I did those two items in the personalization section of the 31 website, and I will link everything that I can below, so that if you like something, you can see if they still have it. Then the little lantern down here I got from Walmart for $2, I believe. And the Home Sweet Haunted Home sign was actually on the wall up here and up there, right there. And it fell down and broke. So I really need to see if I can fix it and then hang it back up. Next up is this little oval table. It is a marble topped. It actually came from my grandmother. And I like in my house to have some mix of old and new and vintage and antique. I just love it all. And I got a lot of things from my grandmother's estate, which I cherish a whole bunch. So just a couple of things on this table. I do have the little pumpkin box here. He's really cute and lights up blue. Just forget that I have a bag over there from Stitch Fix right there that has to go back. Then my sister sent me that little sign, the wood sign, that says, "The greatest blessings call me Grandma." I just think that's so cute. Then my plant, if you know what kind of plant that is, I would love to know, because it is booming and blooming like crazy. I actually got it from the food show we worked, and I don't know what kind it is. So please, if you know, let me know in the comments. Then there might be something hanging out in that plant, but I can't reveal what it is, so little sneak peek there. You might see a couple sneak peeks, so you're gonna want to watch Friday's collab video to find out what it is and where I got it. Then next up is another little wooden sign I think I got from Target Dollar Spot last year for $3, and of course it says, "Double, double, toil and trouble." So I think that's really cute. And then over here, I have my old chair with my boo pillow. Okay, here is one of my favoriteest spots in the whole living room, and that's because it's decorated not for fall, but for Halloween. So let me give you a full view of what everything looks like. And then I'll do a little walkthrough for you. So up there, I bought the bats for just a couple of dollars at Walmart. Then the lantern right here I've had for a couple of years, maybe like 4 or 5 years. I got from Pier 1 Imports. And I just stuck a candle in there, like one of those battery operated ones, and some twigs that are in gold and purple. Then up there I have some orange candles, and the candlesticks I keep them up there all the time, even though they were like Christmas decor, but I still love them. Then I have my tree here that I put some lights on. And I have another one right here. That looks so spooky with the bats behind it. So cute. And I got both the trees, I believe, at Target last year. Then I have some spells, brews, and sorcery books that I got from Walmart. The clock I got at Decor Steals, of course, because everything decor that is farmhouse style. That's where I get it. Just about, anyways. I love that website. Then a little wooden sign here that says, "Don't make me flip my witch switch." A haunted house. A little Merry Halloween pumpkin guy, girl. I guess it's a girl since she has on a witch's hat and she's carrying a cat purse. Then my skull here, really cute. And my wooden sign that says beware. Back up a little bit. I got the banner from Hobby Lobby, I believe for like $14 or $15. And it is metal. I'll come up close and show you. These are metal, and then it has little wood beads. And I'll show you down here. I have some candles lit behind the screen. This is what everything looks like with the lights on, so you can get a better view. I don't know what's going on with that candle, but it's making some weird noises, so I'm going to blow it out here in a second. This is a very old fireplace and mantle. It is original to the house. I still got my shoes over there and Waylon and stuff, so we're just going to forget that it's kind of got stuff over there. All right, and then this is my last little area that I have decorated for right now. I have my couch with my pillow with the truck and the pumpkins in it, and a throw that I just got this year at Home Goods. Then little pumpkin and a candle. I got the little tic-tac-toe from the Target dollar spot, of course. And then that is my old toy trunk that I got in an antique store. Okay, so there you go. There is part 2 of the Decorate With Me videos. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you enjoy the decorating content on my channel, please make sure to let me know in the comments so that I can bring you more and more. I do live in an old house. I think I have mentioned that before, that it was built in 1900 and it is currently undergoing renovations. We try to do one big project a year, so things are always changing around here. All right, if you are brand new once again to my channel, I hope that you will consider hitting that subscribe button and leave me a comment below. Also, if everybody would please hit the thumbs up button, it really does make a difference to the traffic that my channel gets, so I hope you'll consider doing that as well. All right, everybody have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.